What's up guys, welcome to my next lecture. This lecture I'm going to place roof purlins in different way using architecture, roof extrusion and wall girts and door openings. So let's get started. Firstly, I have to fix my mistakes. I made mistakes with my grid. So if you go apex, you can see here my mistakes. Let's measure this. If you see this 11950, so let's go have a see our floor plan. So 13950. Okay, now we have to fix it. Okay, so how can we fix it quick? Let's delete SA, select all, delete, select SA, select all, delete this one. Now we can just move the grids 2 meters. So you can see here, have a see, it's moved with the objects. Now here, this one, move 2 meters, but it says elements will be detached from its associated plane. These elements detached. Why? Because if you go to west, so here this is not anymore in same plane because detached. Okay, let me undo it, show you something. So go back, and if you select this, we can see UB universal beam. If you select this is not associated, because why? Because when we mirror these elements, they lost their plane, so we have to redefine them. So let's select them, select and edit plan, pick plan, and just pick top of this. So let's have a see. Go apex, select, okay, UB universal beam. See, now we can select, move MV, move 2 meters. Okay, no any more warnings. So let's have a see. 13950. It's a right measurement. Okay, now we need to make this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move this to 1 meters and select this, move 1 meters, and we need to go place bracings. So let's go structure, brace, and 30 rod, and so end of this SE again. Okay, now go select SA, select all, go apex. Okay, let's go west and let's mirror them Okay, so now we fixed this one. So there is another mistake, so let's stretch this one, and if you see this one, if we measure this one DI dimension here to here 113, this one has to be 150. So if we measure this one, 150. It's again when we mirror it changes. So how to fix it? Let's go 3D and select these Eve-line struts and just change it's select its top. It's not from center, it has to be from top to here 150. Okay, the fixing mistakes is a very good practice. I learned few things here. Okay, now let's start with placing roof. Okay, low architecture roof by extrusion. Let's choose plan. Okay, let's work with this plan. This plan, let's go G. Okay, let's go A. You see here, if you select A, you can see here A selected. Okay, now this side, which side is it? West. We can go west, and let's select pick line, make offset 300 and go select. Be careful, we select offside one, select and this. Okay, now we need to trim, extend TR or here, and select both of them, and let's choose 125 and OK. Now we have a roof with the wall. We extruded the roof, extruded down to the ground with the wall. Okay, now if we go 3D, we need to view. Okay, view visibility, or just W and find the roof, R, a roof, apply. Okay, so now it's here. From this side went to other side, so let's fix it. Let's go see south. If we go south, select the roof. Okay, just scratch this one here and here. Okay, now have a see. Okay, let's make transparent. Select the roof, right click, override graphic view by element, and transparency. Let's make transparency 80, so we can see now a roof. We can see now the through. Okay, now let's place roof purlins. Structure, we use beam system. The beam system is very good to make our job very easy. Instead of placing one by one, we place all in one time. Okay, select beam system, set the plan. We need to set the plan, pick a plan. Okay, this is very important, selecting right plan. So let's see closer. If we select this one, we're selecting top of the roof. If you go down a little bit, it selects all of them. Okay, we select all of them here. Let's press tab, it goes to bottom of the roof. Okay, select, and let's have a see. Show see it's bottom. From here to here our purlins located. Okay, and show now we choose this part. So let's go apex and place here. Okay, go to the rectangle and fix distance. Our distance 1200. It's not round bar, it's a light gauge joist. Okay, now go to okay, let's start with end of this to somewhere here. Okay, just here. Now it has to be middle, and the two purlins have spacing 10 mil. So this side has to move to the left just 5 mil. Press 5, and this one have to move 200 mil. Okay, now let's double check DI dimension. Select 200. Okay, here to here 5 mil. Okay, now let's mirror to this one. Okay, let's go west. It's okay. The purlins, roof purlins has to facing up, and wall, make a wall facing down. So let's go select. You can select. If you cannot select a beam system, you just select close one, then tap enter, not enter, sorry, just select it. So if you select it, go to west, mirror or Now let's change the certification. Select one SA, select all, hold in shift, deselect this, and then let's make it 180. So it is moved to the up. Now Z offset value 203. Why? Because if we measure this, here's 203. Okay, now we cannot mirror from here to other side, so we can copy them. So let's select all beam systems, go here, not select anything, just active one this, and tap select. We selected one SA, selected both sides, and copy CO, select top. Okay, end of one purlins, and bring it here. You see, this is middle and this is 5. You can see up here it's changing here. Okay, now let's double check dimension DI. Here here 200. Okay, it's good. Let me stretch this one. Okay, it's finished roof purlins. It's finished roof purlins. Now wall girts, the same material, same joints. Okay, exactly same beam system. You have to pick plan. We have to pick, okay, this one. If we go here, this is outer, this is all. Select top, inner. Okay, now let's go south. You can see here south. We choose this plan. Now, okay, same thing, rectangular. Let's make change this one. Okay. Okay, let's select the middle of here. Okay, let's select here. So we don't need to move this part to 5 mil. So now only we need to move this part 200. Direction all. Okay, now go okay. So now see, if you see this one too close to the ground and the one too close to the strut, so we need to fix it. Let's active one, select top, select, and let's change justification beginning. Still too close, so let's choose end. It's a bit better. Now let's have a see here. It's facing down, but it's the other side. Okay, let's fix it. Here's our roof. Let's hide the roof. Okay. Let's we isolated. Excuse me, I pressed the wrong part. So let's select. Okay, select all. Unhide. Unhide. Okay, now select the roof. Select right click, hide element. Okay, now control, holding control, select this all, and we have to move this one to the left. So let's bottom, just select the justification bottom. It is moved. So now on height, if you see our roof is here, it's okay. Now go to the other side. So beam system, let's go south, do the same thing again, select from the end to the, we choose in the middle of here and here. See, you don't need to move this on 5 mil. Now select this and we move to here 200. Okay, now okay, see, it's not a level. If we stop, select, it's try end, try beginning. Okay, if it doesn't work, both of them, let's fix it. So let's just add boundary and select beam direction, just from the same direction as this. Select this, let's choose center, beginning. Okay, end. Okay, you can try to fix how to fix this kind of problems. Now let's have a see. West. Okay, same thing again. Okay, let's select this all, not holding anything, just select them all, and top, not top, bottom. Okay, this is looks okay for me. Now make another side. We cannot mirror wall objects to the other side. It will make trouble later, so we have to make it again, but this time I have no time. I just mirror them. So select select all. I go to west, select it all, mirror okay, mirrored. So let's see, mirrored, you cannot do it. Okay, if you see this all, this is other side. So let's fix it. Okay, okay, I just leave it to you guys now. Okay, now a roof girts finished. Now let's place the door openings and columns to the two sides. Okay, now let's see west. We have to place middle two columns, the middle of 1 and 2, and then the openings. Okay, if we see here the openings, here two 4 by 4 meters, and if you see 6 by 6, the west side is 6 by 6. Okay, this one is west, here 6 by 6. Good. Let's first place a column. Okay, now we column, same column, we make same column. So the west, select this column, universal beam column, and if you remember, it's just CS, create similar. Okay, let's just copy this. Select this beam and copy. Okay. Before that, we have to make a new grid here in the middle. So go select the grid, offset, we make it offset to the middle. So let's go to the grid, select offset, half the offset. If you go apex, it has to be between this, in the middle of this 13950. So go west, let's go grid, select offset, equal sign 13950 divided by 2, and select. Okay, this is the middle, so let's see. Exactly. Okay, now select the column, copy, pick in the middle, paste. Now if we go here, a column, let's select column, column has to be, the strong axis has to be facing to the wind side, wind direction. So we need to rotate this one. I have to rotate, just select space, see, space, select. Okay, so it is facing to the wind side. Okay, now we need to attach this part to the top. Select here, attach top to here. Okay, now just select mirror to the other side, mirror. Now the opening has to be 6 meters, 6 meter opening. So if we measure di, if we measure our column 209, so pick, select, copy, and select from one side, go 6209. Okay, now let's check it. You see, okay, 6000. Select mirror. Okay, now west side is okay. Now go to the east, let's go east. But before that, let's select the middle two, go select middle two, and go apex, mirror, from middle, go, let's have a see. Okay, now we have here, oh, I forgot something. We need to, so here we need to, the column has to be, this side has to be here. So select the column, we can align them. So this is AL, align, select this part first, here. Okay, now let's try, we need to make all of them like this. Let's try select similar, select this. Okay, it doesn't work. So okay, let's make them again. Select this one here, select, we can just align this part, go. Okay, this one, align, that's it. Now we have to make this one align here to here, other side here, here. Okay, now let's see, it's inside. See, now let's go to the east opening 4x4. So let's select, copy, select from one side, go 400, 209, 4209. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's good. Now select this, now select this, mirror to the other side. So now it's finished. Okay, this is the end of the lecture. If you have any questions or anything to correct me, just leave the comments below. Okay, thank you so much for watching.